Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system to eliminate electrical risk. Once done, remove the GPU and visually inspect the PCB near the memory and VRM for cracked solder, burned components, or debris. Make sure to also check the PCIe connector and display ports for bent pins. You should have isopropyl 90% plus, a soft brush, and screwdrivers ready. These let you clean and open the shroud safely. This first pass finds obvious physical faults before deeper fixes. You remove the cooler and clean the GPU die and memory chips with isopropyl. This restores thermal contact and reveals hidden damage. Once clean, reapply a pea-sized amount of quality thermal paste to the die and replace any flattened thermal pads on VRAM or VRMs. This lowers temperatures and can stop artifacting. If artifacts persist and you see solder cracks, use a controlled hot air reflow targeted at BGA/VRAM zones, because reflow can reseal cracked joints. Move carefully and follow temperature guidelines to avoid. You reassemble the card and bench test it in a minimal system with diagnostic images to provoke the lines. This confirms whether the repair worked. Once running, monitor GPU temps and voltages. Make sure to use display driver uninstaller and reinstall drivers cleanly, or roll back if a recent update caused the issue. If lines persist, swap the card into another PC to isolate the host. If the artifacting remains, consider professional BGA reballing or component-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.